Hi guys, welcome back. Now today we are making a banana bread. Here is 8 frozen banana. When you buy banana, you cannot finish it. You just dump it into the freezer and let them freeze. Or you can peel them, put in the bag and freeze them. So that way even easier. So yeah, when you have enough banana, you just making delicious banana bread today. So we are making bread. We just mash them very well. Mash them like a very thin, smooth. We just doing this, and you don't worry about the lumps because when we mix together, they will getting smaller and smooth. So it's just like that. That's good enough. Now we are making here I use a half cup of butter, and I will add this is 2.5 cup of sugar, quite a bit, right? And because I make a lot today, so. So you can see still a little bit lump there, but no big deal. Now we are going to add egg there. Here's 4 eggs with crab inside. Again, you just make sure they are good. You can see the crab and you will see that's a good knot. So that you don't need another bowl to clean up. That's a 4 egg. This large egg. It's good. We can add a wet, so we can add a banana in there. And then we need a teaspoon of vanilla extract, that's pure. We need a tiny bit salt. I would like to add it into it now. It just I only need less than half, like a quarter teaspoon. That's good enough. So I don't like too salty. Here we go. Now I show you a trick. Okay, I will add okay, put in the cup. Should be easier for you. A second. Okay, now I will add a half cup of milk and go into the bowl, and a tablespoon of vinegar. We make our own yogurt, so a tablespoon. You see the milk is going to thicker. See, you can see the liquid yogurt in there. So you stir a bit more and they're getting thicker and thicker. So now it's dump into it. So half a cup of milk plus 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Let me read that. This is make a huge difference. Now we just stir it in a bit. Okay, now we are going to add the dry ingredient there. I will add a cup of there is a flaxseed, ground flaxseed. So there's a half cup, another half cup. Yeah, flaxseed is really good for our body. So, and especially for kids, yeah, they have a really balanced nutrients. You go. Now here is a 5 cup of flour. That's why I need a 2.5 cup of sugar. And then I will need a 2 teaspoons of baking powder, baking soda, sorry. And I will need a I need a 4 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. That's all we're gonna have in the ingredient. Of course, I have a cup of pecan there, so I will add it later. So I will need to add a little bit more milk in there. So just quarter of cup and a tiny bit more of vinegar. Okay, go. So just a little bit over a quarter cup. Now we can add the pecan in there together to mix them together. The vinegar make a huge difference because they moisture a lot, and when they even you put them there for a couple of days, they are very moisture and very tasty. So, well, if you have a yogurt in hand, of course you can make it use the yogurt as well. But I make my own yogurt. Okay, now we're going to grease the pan because I don't have butter left and I don't have a spray oil, so I just I don't think I need that many spices. Good. So I use a small 3 and a 2 big one. Lightly greased, then they will not stick on the side. Okay, before I scoop into the pan, I like to show you. There is, you can see they are very fluffy, so that means that you don't have to worry about the bread will be going to not good. So they are very fluffy. And today we just dump in there to fill out all the pans evenly. Okay, I make a 4 of them, put them evenly in there. So now I just go into the oven 350 to bake for 45 minutes until you will see the top is golden, and then you put the stick down and take out. They are clear, that means it's done. If not, you just add some more time because everybody's oven is differently. Okay, see you soon. Okay, these are baked 1 hour and at 350 degree. Let's check out. So put it there, letting now getting cool down. Now you look at here, it's a little bit dry, but it's not. When they are getting settled down, it's very moisture and shiny in the top as well. You will see later. So the sour milk is really make a big difference. So, or yogurt, you can call, or just milk and vinegar. Here you go. That's really tender, moisture, and they are delicious too. And also have lots of what I call flaxseed inside, so it's very healthy for you. So hopefully you really like this recipe. Enjoy your baking and cooking. Okay, and see you next time.